Welcome back. In this video, I'm unboxing the Nikon Z8, a camera that feels like Nikon quietly leaning over the table and saying, right, here you go. Because let's be honest, what people really wanted was a Z9 performance, without the size, the weight, or the feeling that you've packed a small dumbbell in your camera bag. And that's exactly what this is. Straight out of the box, the Z8 doesn't try to impress you with gimmicks. No flashy nonsense, no over-designed drama. It just feels solid, purposeful, and properly thought through, the way professional tools used to be made. At the heart of it is a 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor paired with Nikon's EXPEED 7 processor, the same one found in the flagship Z9. That combination delivers speed, accuracy, and consistency, whether you're shooting stills, video, or switching between the two without breaking your flow. There's no mechanical shutter here at all. It's fully electronic, fast, silent, and built to handle serious workloads without compromise. On the video side, it'll shoot up to 8K, with beautifully oversampled 4K that looks exactly how you'd expect from a modern professional system. Autofocus is handled by a 493-point system, with subject detection that's genuinely useful. People, animals, vehicles. It locks on, stays locked, and lets you concentrate on actually making the shot. What really stands out though is the balance. This body feels like Nikon deliberately stripped away everything unnecessary without stripping away what matters. It's rugged, weather-sealed, and reassuringly dense, the kind of camera you trust instinctively the moment you pick it up. This unboxing is about first impressions, the packaging, the build quality, and that quiet moment when you realize this isn't just a smaller camera, it's a serious statement. No waffle, no marketing fluff. Just a proper look at what arrives when you open the box. If you're into photography, video, or tools that are built to last rather than chase trends, you're in good company here. And if you enjoy watching dangerously expensive cardboard being opened, you're definitely in the right place.